Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My Kiwi Lane creative partner number is 247096. And I got a surprise today. It wasn't supposed to be delivered until Monday, and then it changed to Saturday and Friday, and it appeared today. It's gone from Utah to Houston to Capel to Houston again, but now it's back to me. It's the May 2024 Kiwi Club kit called Living the Pet Life. See, the best life is crossed out, but you know, having a pet is the best. On the box there is the sticker that you take a picture of the QR code and it'll bring you directly to the PDF that the Kiwi Club crew at corporate created for you to showcase their ideas and little suggestions on what you can create with this kit. I've already opened the box up because this is not my first take. I started coughing up a storm. Don't know why. I went outside for a few minutes. Could be allergies. Spring in Texas, isn't it fun? But we're going to go through this kit piece by piece, and I'm going to show you everything that it has to offer you. And when you open your kit, you'll have this 6x12 sheet that showcases everything that's included, as well as some save the dates. When you take a picture of that little QR code and log into the community, it'll show you exclusive events that you can add to your calendar for being a member of the Kiwi Club kit. It's also a picture of the template set that's included in this. The template set is called Happy. And another banner shows the QR code for the digital idea book again, which you could download to your computer. You could even print it out, put it in page protectors, put it in a binder, and keep it forever. So you can go back and reference those ideas in the future. Kiwi Corporate has suggested trying to pair this kit with these templates. Those templates are Abbey Road, Widget, and Mini Photos. They also give you some theme options that you could create with the kit. Those include Adventures of Life, Playful Memories, or Pet Memories. I'm going to do pets because can never have enough pet pages. This kit will create at least 3 double-page layouts or 6 one-page layouts. And if you didn't know what papers were included, there are 12. You get 12 by 12 80-pound pattern paper sheets. Oops, sorry. 9 total meaningful title cards. The Happy Designer template set. And I think we're going to open it up. Now just remember that just because it says try pairing up these, there are other template sets that would go great with this kit. One of them is the pet set, which is right here. I have the pet set. Yes, I created my own little file folders to keep my templates in so that I like everything to match. So let's open this up and look at it. I'm going to go through piece by piece and tell you what I like and what I don't like, or it's just my personal preferences. So this is side A of the paper, the first sheet of paper. I know you can't please everyone, especially me, but I'm a cat person, not a dog person, so I really wish it was just cats. I know the people that have dogs would say, I really wish it was just dogs, and it can't make everyone happy. So there's a cat, but there's dogs in there too. Personal preference. So this is side A, and this is side B. It's a really, really pretty blue, and it has arrows in it. Really cute. So this is side B, and this is side A. I'm going to try and challenge myself to use the side A, mainly because of the cute cats in it. Cat. Yes, I'm the crazy cat lady. My husband says I can't have any more. Don't know why. The second sheet is, I think this is geared toward playful memories and adventures of life. Make new friends, it says on it. Chase your dreams. Learn new tricks. Unleash your talents. You could use this for pets too, for like catching balls, rolling over, fetch. Or for a cat, lay there, go take a nap, eat some food. So this is side A, and this is side B. I might actually use the side A mainly because of what I said about cats. Lay there, don't move, take a nap, chase a mouse. That's one. That would be unleashing a new talent, wouldn't it? The third sheet is a bunch of chevrons. You could use this with the chevron template set that look really, really cool. So this is side A. Again, this is side B. I'm actually going to use side B, mainly because I get a little dizzy when I look at patterns like this. Sorry, I do. And I just think that the side B would look a lot better with what I have in mind to do. So personal preference. The third sheet of paper is a really, really pretty plaid. It's blue and red, and there's a little bit of the light green, like in that previous sheet. Really, really pretty. Side A. Side B. Okay. Side B, mainly because I like black patterned paper. And this has dots. I like dots. Dots and patterned paper got me. Side B. If I cough, I'm sorry. It has to be allergies since I was just outside. This is side A, the next sheet, the fifth sheet. I love the color of this paper. And I really think that it's going to go well with the dog and cat paper that we saw previously. So side A and side B. I'm gonna go with side A, and it would look really, really pretty with that black too. Here's the next sheet. Really, really pretty blue. They're like plus marks, I would say, addition marks. You know, the plus sign. Side A. Side B. Actually, this is side A and the other is side B because I flipped through the paper before I came on. I'm going to say side B because this reminds me of playing video games in the 70s. So side A. Now there's two sheets of this one. This is a really, really pretty paper. It has chevron zigzag pattern in it. Side A and side B. I actually really, really do like them both. So I might try and use them both. Like I said earlier, I am a double page layout person. So I can use this. I just cut it 6 inches wide and I can use it on a 12 by 12. So I can get 2 layouts out of this and use my own cardstock. So that one. There's also 2 sheets of this, side A. It's a burgundy-ish, well, burnt red. And there's like faint little lighter colored dots in it. It reminds me of the double dot paper, just not as much double dot as Bo Bunny does to it. So side A. Side B. I like this side B. And you of course know any kind of black paper, I'm going to choose the black. So this is side A. And this is side B. Oh, those are both pretty. I might have to use both of these too. Because I like the dots. And I like this pattern. So side A, side B. I like them both. It's really hard when you like both and you only have 2 sheets of it. Like when I go to the store to buy cardstock, I'll buy like 6 or 10 sheets of one particular pattern just so I can make sure I have enough to make more sheets. So let's go to the template set. Okay, we're going to go through these in order. Like I said earlier, the template set is called Happy. And Happy, number 7 of 7. So you know how many templates are in it. There's 7 and has it stamped on there. So in case you lose one, you can say, hey, Kiwi, I lost a template. And they'll say, which one? You can say 7 of 7. Really, really pretty. This reminds me of a gear. So you could use it with the other templates that we have. Really, really cool. Could be a larger gear, you know. So 7, number 7. Number 6, really, really cute. Oh, I didn't measure. I'm so sorry. This measures 7 7/8 round. Okay, so it's a pretty big size template. And then we have a journaling template. So you trace, and then you cut, and then I would ink, and you can trace the lines with a pencil, and then you erase the lines after you journal. That measures 3 5/8 by 3 4/8. So it's wider than it is longer. Okay. Number 5 is happy. Now I do a lot of titles like this in my own personal Kiwi Club or in my own personal layouts. And what I use is my Sizzix dies, and I cut them out and I attach them like this. So this is number 5 of 7 of the Happy template called Happy. And it measures 4 1/4, we'll say 4 3/8. And the widest, we'll say 1 1/4. Okay. Number 4, the blurbs, speech blurbs, lots of speech blurbs. And we have also the larger speech blurbs also. Those were from another kit. I don't remember which one, but I could look it up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were doing a layout, you could do meow, 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 meow. That's what I would do. Very simple. And that measures 4 3/8. And the widest part is 2 1/2. And then we have the really, really cute paw print, which I'm going to put on a layout that I've already just finished a little while ago. I'm going to be doing another layout soon. Not a layout, but another video showcasing the layouts I've created in the past month. Well, actually in the past 3 weeks. So this one measures 1 5/8, and it's round. So 1 5/8 round. Really cute. I needed a paw print. I wish it was bigger though. Okay, number 2 is 7 of the Happy. Just over 2 3/8 by 1 inch. Then number 1 of Happy. One 3/8 by 1 inch also. See? 1 inch. So those are the templates for the Happy template set. Set those aside, and we will do the journaling cards. And remember, sorry, don't like a journaling card, you don't have to use it. Put it in a frame, put it on another page, use it to cut out a template or journal on it. Photo corners, lots of things that you could do. Okay, the first, I'm going to show you side A and side B again. First one is little titles and journaling things and little widgets. I'll call them widgets. So side A, side B, that's a pretty blue. You could use that for photo corners if you don't like any of that. So yeah, photo corners. Side A, side B, I'm sorry. Life is good. You could do that with a picture of your cat or dog. Could do that a picture with my daughter, Sarah, and her dog. Side B. Oh, I like this one because it has that green color in it. Side A. Side B. Details. I might just, what I would do is I would cut this off. So side A, side B. I'd cut around the detail thing. Life is an adventure, side A. Side B, really, really pretty green with those dots, like that black sheet that I showed you earlier. I like that. I like that. So side A, side B. Little titles: create, dream, discover, imagine, explore. You could use explore like when your cat's trying to find a mouse or something. Side A, side B. You're awesome. Ah, thank you. I never hear that though. So side A, side B. Could use that on the page somewhere. I like the colors that they used in that. A perfect day to play. Every day is a perfect day to play. So side A, side B. You are one cool kid. If you don't want to put kid, you could put dog, just cross that off, or put another piece of paper there, put dog or cat or dude. One cool dude. I like that better. So side A, but I do like the colors. I love the colors on that. Side A, side B. Love the colors. And then we have all these little title cards. Perfect Pals, Roz and Whiskers, I think that says. Go Lucky, All About Your Day, Catitude, Paw Prints on My Heart, Best Friend, and Doggone Cute. Really, really cute. I would use all the cat ones. Probably the dog ones too for Harley, my daughter's dog. And this is side B. Really, really pretty green. But I think I'm going to use all of these. And if I didn't use all of these, what I would do, like, if I wasn't going to use the doggone cute one, I could just trim it down a little bit, cut this one out also, flip it over, and I could mount this one on that. Look really, really cute. I think I'd like that. Anyway, this is the May 2024 Kiwi Club kit. Here's the information sheet. I'm going to have all the information and the links in the description for how you can join the Kiwi Club kit, join my Facebook group, my website for Kiwi Club, and instructions on how you can order products that I think that you will really love to help you create beautiful scrapbook pages. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Okay? Have a great day. And if you're celebrating National Scrapbook Day this weekend, have a great weekend. Bye.